In this video, I'm going to talk about my research that studies household adoption of energy-efficient technologies. Global energy usage is on a path to grow nearly 50% over the next 30 years. Most of the increase in energy consumption is projected to come from emerging economies like India and China. The residential building sector is becoming a substantial end user of energy and is believed to have the most potential to improve energy efficiency. Therefore, scaling up household adoption of energy-efficient appliances can create substantial benefits. However, there still exists the so-called energy efficiency paradox, especially in developing countries. Energy-efficient technologies can create substantial economic and environmental benefits by reducing the cost of energy consumption and mitigate emissions from fossil fuel combustion. However, the adoption rate of energy-efficient technologies is still low in developing countries. An IEA report suggests that there is a huge energy efficiency gap, and filling this gap can create more than 2 trillion benefits. Therefore, in this project, I apply a demand model to air conditioner purchase data and leverage machine learning techniques to study the adoption of energy-efficient appliances. I will quantify households willing to pay for energy savings and investigate how the updating of energy efficiency information affects households' valuation for air conditioner products. Let me first provide some background. This is the energy efficiency label that is attached on air conditioner products in China. According to the energy efficiency standard, air conditioners are divided into 3 categories. From Tier 1 to Tier 3, the energy efficiency decreases. This label also provides other information on efficiency performance, like annual electricity consumption. I first explore the regional patterns of air conditioner purchase. The regional distribution of average sales of air conditioners is aligned with the climate patterns. Similarly, energy-efficient air conditioners account for a larger market share in the southeast coastal area, where the temperature is higher and people have relatively higher income levels. The empirical analysis shows that a household is willing to pay about 0.9 RMB for 1 RMB increase in lifetime energy savings from an air conditioner, suggesting an evaluation of energy savings by Chinese households. I also find significant heterogeneity in willingness to pay. Households living in hot regions or with higher income levels have higher willingness to pay for energy savings. Since households in those regions have higher demand for space cooling, the operational cost for air conditioners might be more salient for them, leading to relatively higher valuation for energy savings. I then apply the model framework to explore the role of energy efficiency information in households' purchase decision on air conditioners. In 2010, the Chinese government introduced a more stringent energy efficiency standard for air conditioners, which led to the updating of energy efficiency levels indicated by the labels. Under the new standard, an air conditioner's efficiency classification might change to a lower level. For example, the previous Tier 2 efficiency level might now become Tier 3, and the energy efficiency label will also be updated accordingly. Leveraging the variation in energy efficiency information induced by the updating of energy efficiency labels, I investigate the relationship between information and households' valuation for energy efficient products. Specifically, I find that households' valuation for energy efficient air conditioners increases by more than 1,000 RMB if their energy efficiency labels suggest an upgrade in efficiency levels. I further disentangle this information effect for different efficiency levels and find that households mainly care about the change between Tier 2 efficiency to Tier 1 efficiency. To conclude, I find that Chinese households generate annual value of the energy savings from energy-efficient air conditioners. The nationwide estimate of annual valuation of unit energy saving is about $7 million, suggesting a huge energy efficiency gap and a large potential in energy efficiency improvements in China's residential building sector. The findings here imply that using policy interventions to bridge the energy efficiency gap can create substantial economic benefits. In addition, the analysis on information impact demonstrates that the provision of energy efficient information can ultimately change households' valuation of energy efficient products. Hence, policymakers can consider using information tools to nudge energy efficient choices.